Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Nissan Frontier. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, satellite radio, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, midsize truck capability at an oversized value. That's the Frontier. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.